Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. So today we're going to do a short trip to Italy to prepare a pasta al forno. So forno means oven, so this is a pasta we're going to bake. So we're going to start with some bechamel, pasta of course pre-cooked this time. We got some bolo sauce and we got some extras. We got some Parma ham, corn, parmesan, mozzarella in cubes. So this is very easy. I will leave you in the description all the links to prepare the bechamel with feta cheese I did, to prepare the bolognese, and of course you can add all the toppings you like to this pasta al forno, which is very easy. You can make it with some leftovers. It's very flexible to prepare, of course, and very nice indeed. So look, I'm just adding everything to our pan, and then I will mix all together that everything gets a little bit from all the ingredients well mixed. And now after that we're gonna add it to transfer it to a back tray, and we're gonna in a pre-oven we're gonna bake it. Look, I'm gonna top it with a little bit of bechamel and then some parmesan cheese on top. And this is just very easy. Just preheat oven 30 minutes that everything gets warm, get well cooked in the, it's already cooked, but get the saucy get to everywhere. And then just 3 minutes or 5 minutes in the grill mode of your oven, just to give this nicely color you will see just in just a few moments. So if you are still here so far, leave your like. Of course, if you want, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any comment, just on the comment box, please. Look, I'm gonna add some parmesan cheese on top of this. So this is a pasta al forno with 3 cheese. I'm gonna use parmesan, I'm using mozzarella, and the bechamel had a feta cheese. Look, this is the color we want, and now we are just ready to go. Look, very nice, very easy, and of course very tasty. So I hope you like it, everyone, and I wish you a nice journey. Take care.